you guys. Okay, so go to the create portfolio and upload link for that assignment. So go to this assignment, and that's tiny. So let's make it a little bigger. Okay, so we're going to click that link. James has already started. James, this is why. This is the, yes. Okay. Can you Control Z, or do I have to restore? I can't remember if just Control Zing to get it back. All right. Don't click on anything yet. I'm going to restore the version history. But yes, this is why I do like to do it on together here. So we're going to bring it back to yesterday. Nope. Cool. Angie, good job trying to get started. Yep. So what we need to do is go back to my restored version. One more piece. Okay, so I want to nope. Okay, it is this one. Cool. So that's what happens if you don't make a copy. So what I need you to do, so any work that was done in that piece, simmer down. Are you all right? You good back there? Okay. Okay. What I need you to do is go to the three-dot menu and go to make a copy. So let me see if I can get that to zoom in over here. Do like that. So don't type anything in the actual. All you're doing is go to make a copy, and this will create your own copy theoretically in the folder that you want to make it in, which should be your student Google Drive. Like that's what you want to do. Once you make that copy, then you can start editing it. And so do that. Cool. Is it not? It didn't want to go on your phone. It was worth a try, right? That bank is probably not going to work though because I have the coffee plugged in. So go to the other wall. Sorry. We don't use computers so much that I was worried about it, for better or worse. All right, so you can start filling in the basics there. Put your first and last name in the places where it makes sense to do that. And you can delete the text there that says delete this after you make a copy. You create your own copy, then delete this text. You can do that. So where it says first and last name, do that. You can put your first name in this, or put your name up there as well in the top corner. And let's just have you go ahead and do the background portion. So include 2 to 3 paragraphs of meaningful personal information you want other students or your professor to know about. And then toss in a picture of yourself to the left. Hey, Jet. So if you think of it as a portfolio, this is usually representative of you as a student and a person. There's a little bit of professionalism if you're going to do it as a portfolio. So yes, you could do any picture, but some of us don't take the best pictures in certain circumstances or lights. And so, you know, like I don't like pictures of me snuggling with my cats on the internet, but my wife will not listen. If you go for it. Is this making sense? Are we good? Okay, so follow that link, make a copy, don't make a copy of the template, and then start adding in the information. Instead of like our normal warm-up pre-write, you're going to fill in the 2 to 3 paragraphs of personal information. So who are you? What are your goals in life, college? It's not a dating profile, so we don't need those goals. Mostly because there's no way to swipe right. People are going to be stuck on this page. So don't do that. We're past the refund date. So yeah, you are stuck with me for 6 or 7 weeks at least. Then it's as needed. My teaching comes with a lifetime warranty, so, you know. That's all this is. This is like a bio page, yes. Yeah. If you've already written one somewhere else, that's fine. Who are you? What should we know about you? What's meaningful? Do that. And if at any point you need to grab a snack, a cup of coffee, or something else like that, feel free to jump in over here. Do what you need to do. I trust your judgment. Most of the time. So this isn't published yet, so feel free to make it a rough draft, like just put whatever you need to down to start getting moving. Don't feel like it has to be perfect this time around. This is just kind of getting us warmed up, getting a placeholder a little bit here. Nice. Did you have one already, or you had already started on it? Cool. Who'd you have last semester? Say it again. I should know that name. Hi. Get out of your space. Wait. Cool. So if you want to build on that, that's totally fine. Just make sure all the pieces are still there for what we're doing. Cool. And you can always like add or push down. You don't necessarily have to get rid of the other work unless you don't like it. So you're done? Wrote 2 to 3 paragraphs? That's what it says, right? Include 2 to 3 paragraphs of meaningful personal information you want other students or your professor to know about. And you can think of it could be students, professor, or one of the benefits of the work you're going to be doing is there's a little bit of professionalism. If you want to think what you might put as part of resume work or part of a job thing, you could put that kind of information here too. But let people get to know you. You can gear it in the direction you need to. It should be a picture of actually you, though. Okay. Okay. Cool, cool. Hannah, just the most important thing we've covered so far today is the beauty of homophones. And so this thing up here on the board, this is the most important thing so far? Okay. Just making sure. Hi, Mark. Good to see you. Yes. Is your car fixed? Good. We're gonna pull this table a little bit this way, just so you have a little space. You look a little cramped there. Is that a little better? Yeah. I'm like that's a little too cozy. All right. Did everybody who came in, or if you just came in, you go to the portfolio assignment. You go to the 3 dots here on the top right menu, and you make a copy of this template. If you already have an e-portfolio that you did for English 101, you can build on that as long as it ends up with all the same pieces eventually, which will be like the different draft work for the different projects and something for the meme days and all that. You're welcome to do that. But whatever you do, please make a copy. because it is a regular thing for students to override the template. That was weird. And override each other's work on the template. And I will give you one tip while I'm talking. So this is for everyone because I haven't told anyone this part yet. When you are dealing with navigating this page, if you go, well, let me. So if the links don't work when you're in edit mode. To navigate through your portfolio in edit mode, you want to go to pages on the right. And you can look at the different pages that are pre-built, and those all have different links on them. So we can click here. I'll zoom back out now if I can get my computer to do its job. So yeah, so then if I'm trying to bounce through the home versus the highlights, you can kind of see a little bit of what the rest of the portfolio is. So there are a series of buttons that go to individual pages, and then you can upload those respective materials there as we get there across the semester. And then there's another kind of final draft at the end of the semester that you'll make sure all that stuff's there for. So those are the two big things that I usually see technology-wise people struggle with, is they don't know how to navigate the editable version, and then they don't remember to copy a template to make a template. You getting there?